How's it going? This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com, and we got our first response, and I'm pretty sure there's other letters that are finally going out. This is a debt that has now been forgiven. The debt collector is not going to come after the customer. I blanked out the information about the customer's name, but this is directly from uh, this collection agency. I'm not going to say their name so we won't get the video uh, banned, but this is straight from them. We sent the demand letter to stop the collection of the debt. This was the debt right here, $8,675.54. They paid us $500 for the demand letter. You better bet that this company, this collection agency would have went after this money, and they would have garnished this person, and they would have been paying their hard-earned money uh, week after week or bi-weekly or whatever, $8,675. This is what we've saved this individual by being able to send out that demand letter. Now the next step is to get everything removed off of the credit, and that is also being done. But you can read right here. This is the attorney firm that I'm working with. Uh, it was regarding a Santander debt, $8,675.54. And you can see right here that they're not going to go after this individual anymore. So I told you, if this person would not have sent this demand letter, they would have been coming after them for the money, and and because they would have not acknowledged, number one, that they can't even come after the money. So just think about all of the millions of people that are being sued right now that don't have to pay a penny, don't have to pay a penny. So if you're looking to have us send out the demand letter for you, the links are below this video. This is starting to work. Some people think that things have to work overnight. Sometimes things take a little bit, but this is the first one. Debt is forgiven. $8,675.54. So if you want to get your demand letter drafted by the attorney firm that's working with me, all you have to do is click the links below this video, and we'll get the job done for you. And hopefully, we can get you the same type of resolution that this individual just got. Thank you. This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. Thank you.